going to be making some quick and easy washi tape. And so what I have in front of me here is a roll of double-sided tape. This is scrappy tape and it's a 1/4 inch. If you have some that's larger, you would be making larger washi tape. So what I'm going to do is cut off 2 pieces here right now and put them kind of face up on my glass mat. All right, and hold that down with washi tape and put one over here and hold this one down with washi tape, and then just enough so that I can add some stripes going this way. Now this is with the sticky side up, all right? So I'm going to stick it and hopefully adhere it to my tape. If not, which it doesn't really want to stick. All right. All right, to make our washi tape, I have a napkin. That's going to be our design. And then I have this 1/4 inch tape, scrappy tape. If you have larger double-sided tape, you could use that. Now, I'm going to stretch it out, sticky side up, and I'm going to hold it in place with some duct tape on my glass mat. And then I'm just going to cut the other end here and do the same thing. Got another piece of washi tape here that's kind of doubled up on itself, but that's okay. So I'm just going to hold that down. Now, if you want multiple pieces, you can do that. All right, I'm just going to pick up my washi tape here, or excuse me, my packing tape, and stick another strip down. And let's see if I can get 3 going. All right, so I want it to stretch out tight. Okay, I don't want a bubble in any of my tape. All right, and so one more. And again, these are all sticky side up. All right, and now I'm stuck to my tape. It's off camera, but I was stuck. All right, so I'm gonna stretch this out, make sure it's tight. All right, there we go. Now that we have that prepared, we're gonna work on our napkin. Okay, so I switched to a napkin that I know has more than one ply, and I'm just peeling off that white liner, and this is what I have now. So I have a very thin piece, and now I'm just gonna lay this down onto my double-sided tape like so. And then just to make it easier, I'm just going to cut this away and pull up my packing tape pieces. And then, depending on the kind of edge you want on your tape, you could tear, and then you're going to get, you know, a rough edge, and you may like that for your washi tape. So you would get a jagged edge, or you could just easily go in with your craft knife and just follow the edge of your tape with a knife or with a scissor. Now, if you're doing a knife like I am, you do not want to pull too hard and try to get through it all at once. All right, you can see I'm going gentle, and the napkin is tearing a little on me, and that's okay as long as we're not tearing on the front edge, which we're not. All right, so that's one way. Another way is to go in with your scissors and cut right along the edge of that tape. tear that off and then clean it up at this end here. There we go. So now that's my washi tape. So if I were, let me just take a piece of this and I will grab a scrap here. Okay. And so now I'm going to peel the back off my tape. And so the adhesive is on the napkin. And I can stick that down like so. And there I have my own handmade washi tape. So here's another option. I took the piece of white napkin that we peeled off of the first napkin that I used, and I put this in my spray box, and I just hit it with some different colors of Distress Oxide spray and made this. And so now I'm going to go ahead and lay this, and now I'm going to have some Distressed Oxide colored washi tape. And this sprayed napkin is so pretty. I'm going to go ahead and save this part for something else.